to the highlights and your most memorable sessions in your life. You had your highest form of praise through the Eucharistic celebration yesterday, and today God made this day for you. We will now start with the oath-taking rites and induction ceremonies of you, our dear new RNs. May we request everyone to witness a parade of people who made you what you are now and who will make you one of the best nurses in the future. As they move with the processional, may you continue to make your claps louder, as without these people who are God's instruments, you are now what you are in the roster of the best nurses in the world. Let us all welcome the processional. The Association of Deans of Philippine Colleges of Nursing. Why don't you give the loudest applause to your dean? Competently headed by our dynamic president, Dean Judith Ismail. Give the loudest clap to your beloved dean. Maintain those claps coming, for without them, you couldn't be what you are now. So beautiful and competent beings on the runway. Your young and dynamic beings are coming up on the stage. Please give your loudest clap to the association which you may embrace as the top pool of professionals. Please help me welcome Philippine Nurses Association. Cebu Chapter President, Nurse John Marcon Tuntut, together with the officers. We are also graced with the Governor of PNA Region 7, Nurse Mark Ryan Portuguese, and very well appreciated with the presence of PNA National President, Nurse